SciTube is an initiative to make learning psychology interesting, exciting, and easier. SciTube promotes learning psychology through the relevant original experiments that resulted in the theories. The videos also sensitize the learners about the relevance of the theories in contemporary times. Concept: Obesity Psychological Impact. Experimental setup: Schachter's Externality Theory Experiments. The Externality Theory Experiments were conducted by Stanley Schachter in 1968 in the field of health and social psychology. The purpose of these experiments was to understand why obese individuals eat differently compared to non-obese individuals, especially in response to hunger and food availability. At the time, obesity was often explained as a lack of willpower. Schachter challenged this view. His motive was to test whether eating behavior in obesity is guided more by external cues, such as the sight, smell, and timing of food, rather than by internal physiological hunger signals. What happened in the experiment? Schachter recruited obese and non-obese participants and exposed them to different eating conditions. Participants were either made hungry or not hungry before the experiment, placed in environments with strong food cues, such as visible, appealing food, sometimes tested at unusual eating times, like late evenings. Researchers then measured how much food participants consumed under each condition. Key observations and conclusions. The results showed a clear contrast. Non-obese participants ate more when hungry and less when full. Obese participants ate similar amounts regardless of hunger. Food intake among obese participants increased significantly when external cues were present. Conclusion: obese individuals were more responsive to external food cues than to internal hunger signals. This led to externality theory, which states that obesity-related eating is driven by environmental triggers, not weak self-control. Inferences and contemporary relevance. Schachter's findings remain highly relevant today. Modern food environments are rich in cues, ads, packaging, and constant availability. Emotional and cue-driven eating explains overeating better than willpower alone. Obesity interventions now focus on environment design, mindful eating, reducing cue exposure. Core insight: obesity is influenced by psychology and environment, not just biology or discipline. Schachter's experiments helped shift obesity research from blame to understanding, emphasizing that changing environments may be more effective than changing individuals. If you think the video made learning psychology easier, like, comment, share, and subscribe.